So in 2018, Ormiston Academies Trust received some funding from Ormiston Trust and from iWill, and that is to enable pupils in schools to get involved in social action. Now, social action can be anything from volunteering to fundraising to campaigning, but it's all about enabling our pupils to feel engaged in their communities, to learn new skills and to develop resilience that will see them through into adult life.
I've quite enjoyed the discussions, and we've had lots of ideas about how we can improve Quest, and the fact that everyone's contributed towards these ideas and made it so that Quest will be better for the school.
The iWill project is basically where it builds our confidence up for the future and gets our soft skills ready.
iWill will help us in the future by helping us develop our skills so we can add them to our CVs when we're applying for jobs. We've been looking at how we can improve our Quest Awards and the different changes we've made, and how we can also change them and make it more motivating for students to take part in.
So today it's been really good to welcome Out to our school, and they've seen us working with a group of students. So students have been driving forward our Quest programme, looking at how we develop that, linking that in with the iWill project from Out. So we've had some fantastic activities, lots and lots of ideas from students, finding out what really matters to them and what they really want, and now we just have to put that into action.